Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the July 2026 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag to open up with you all today. I have a coupon code for the dollar bead box. It's THJ2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the website where you can sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up, or $2 off of an order from their online store. You can only have access to their online store if you're a member of the Dollar Bead Club. If you're a subscriber to the box, you're automatically a member of the Dollar Bead Club, or you can buy an annual membership. It's $35 a year, and that would give you access to their online shop, but you wouldn't get the box or the bag. So I'm going to open it up here and take a little peek. And I'm fumbling with this finger with a band-aid on it. I'm always doing something. The dollar bead bag is always on top. And there are 4 strands of 3mm fire polished beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polished beads. And there are 50 beads on each strand. And oh my goodness, those are colorful. So pretty. So pretty. And then this is the paper that has everything in the box. It celebrates summer in full color with a box bursting with bright, cheerful hues. This month's selections are inspired by sunny days, colorful gardens, and the playful energy of the season. Inside you'll find an eye-catching mix of vibrant oranges, yellows, greens, blues, pinks, and more, perfect for creating designs that stand out. And then the back has everything that's in the box. And that's what's in the box, a little peek. So hold on, I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now, and I'm starting out with the dollar bead bag, the 3mm fire polish beads. And this one is, it says hyacinth or matte hyacinth. I believe this would be the matte hyacinth. Really, really pretty beads. And then next is opaque yellow capri. These are really pretty. And then next is crystal apple green. And then next is emerald green or matte emerald green. I think that would be the emerald green. I don't think that's matte. Really pretty color. And then in the 4mm strands, the first one is opaque lime. A really pretty color of green too. And then tangerine or matte tangerine. I believe this would not be the matte, this would be the tangerine. Really, really pretty. And then next is opaque yellow capri, just like those 3mm ones I had. And then the last in the dollar bead bag is, it says opaque orange or matte orange sherbet. I don't think this is matte, so I guess this is the opaque orange. It's really, really pretty. And then in the dollar bead box, in the strands, first are 25 pieces of 5mm check glass fire polish beads. It says turquoise or coral beach, so I got the turquoise. Really pretty. And then next are, it says you would either get 10mm of check glass dagger beads, pastel green rainbow, 25 pieces, or 40 pieces of 10mm check glass dagger beads in matte silver. So I've got the 25 pieces of pastel green rainbow. They're really pretty. Little bitty dagger beads. And then next are 50 pieces of check glass struck beads. They're 4mm. It says frosted crystal turquoise or turquoise. I think that's just turquoise probably. It's really, really pretty. And then next it says you would either get a 13-inch strand of 2x3mm Chinese crystal rondelles or a 15-inch strand of 1x2mm Chinese crystal rondelles. The 2x3mm are turquoise silver luster, and I believe that's what I've got here. The others would just be turquoise, but I think this is the 2x3mm turquoise silver luster. And I just love these little tiny beads. They fit in little places where you need a little tiny bead to fit when you're doing bead weaving. Of course, they make pretty little spacer beads too. It's really, really pretty. And then next are 42 pieces of 2mm check glass pearls. It's mint or spring green. I'm not sure. This is probably mint. Little tiny 2mm pearls. And then last in the strands are 40 pieces of 4mm check glass pearls. The color is either mint, spring green, or celadon. I'm going to guess this is probably the celadon. They're just really beautiful. And then in the additional items, first I have 4 pieces of 18 by 12mm check glass table cut rectangles. And it says cherry or green. I got the green. They're really, really pretty. And then next, turn my paper around here. I've got 4 7 by 10mm check glass pinched oval beads. It says sapphire green or dark red, so I've got the sapphire. They're really, really pretty. All those different striations in there. It's really beautiful. And then next is an 18mm check glass ammonite bead. The color is red with blue wash. That's really pretty. And then next are 4 pieces 4x14mm check glass coin beads. You either get red or yellow. I've got the yellow here. Hard to do anything with this big band-aid on my finger. Those are really pretty. And then next are 6 pieces of 8mm check glass acid etched Druck mix. You either get orange, yellow, green, or red. So it looks like I've got orange, green, and red. I mean, yellow, green, and red. Get one of each color on here. They're really pretty. And then next are 2 14x15mm check glass Buddhas with gold wash. It says orange, yellow, red, blue, or green, so I've got the yellow. Those are really cute. Little Buddha heads. Really, really cute. And then next I have 2 10mm check glass lined. It says you'd either get oval or cushion cut. And they're dark green with bronze. The cushion cut says ornamental dark green with bronze. So I don't really, the oval would be 10mm. The check glass ornamental cushion cut would be 11x12mm. I'm not entirely sure which one this is. I don't know if it's cushion cut or oval. I guess it's probably the cushion cut, because it's definitely not perfectly oval. Kind of hard to tell with those stripes, but I think it must be the cushion cut. Really, really pretty. And then next are 4 8x10mm check glass cabochons. The color is white with confetti. If I can get all the rest of these closer to me, I can't hardly reach them. So these are check glass cabochons, 8x10mm white with confetti. course, the cabochons don't have a hole in them. I got a couple of them up here on my finger. I can show you the back and the front. They're really pretty. And then next are 2 pieces, 12 to 24 millimeter dyed bamboo coral. It says you can either get red or blue, and so I've got the red here. They're really pretty. And then next are 2 pieces of 13 millimeter check glass wild rose with gold wash. Said you would either get red or yellow, and I've got the red. They're really pretty. And then next are 2 pieces check glass starbursts. They're 12 by 14 millimeter, and the color is opaque turquoise. Really pretty. And then last are 2 8 millimeter pewter flowers, and they're silver. They're really pretty. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the July 2026 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag. Just all kinds of really beautiful, colorful beads. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.